Subscribe to Phone Darshan channel and click on this bell icon to receive the latest technology information. Guys, are you being spammed by the junk messages on your iPhone? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Friends, today I am going to introduce you a new application that I have been using for past 1 year. The name of that application is SMS Spam Stopper. Using this application, I was able to block almost 99% of the junk text messages which were being sent to me day and night. So guys, now the question arises that why have I chosen this application over the others? So the first reason is this is cheap. Cheap means this is not free, but it is available at a very low price of 2.99 USD. Second, it is not subscription based application. If you go to the App Store, you will see many applications which claim that they could stop the junk SMS, and they also look like they are free, but once you install them, they will ask you to pay the subscription price, and those subscription prices are mostly monthly or half yearly or yearly. So in that case, although it looks like those applications are free, but you end up paying more money by paying the subscription fees monthly. For example, if you are being charged $1 monthly, then at the end of the year you end up paying $12, and still that application is not owned by you. You still have to keep paying to use it. But this application is available for one-time fee of 2.99 USD, and once you install it, it will not ever ask you again for any kind of money. This application is not subscription based. Okay, the second thing, it works right out of the box. You install it, configure it, and forget about it. After that, you will stop receiving any vibrations, notifications, or SMS tones for the junk text messages. As soon as the application finds that this is a junk text message, it will send it to the junk folder of your messages application, and you will not get any notifications about it. So that will be a peace of mind. That was a peace of mind for me. Earlier I used to get around 4 to 5 junk messages almost on daily basis, but after installing this application, those headaches are gone now. Third thing, its capability. This application has various modes using which it blocks the SMS. For example, first thing, it has its own database of 250 known junk words. What are the junk words? For example, if you get a SMS which contains offer, loan, insurance, free, these words are kind of promotional words which are being often used by the scammers who send you the junk SMS. So this application has its own database of such known 250 words. So if you receive any SMS from the scammers which contain these words, those will be blocked. Second thing, if you turn the unknown SMS blocking option, there is an option called unknown SMS blocking option. If you turn on that option, then any SMS from any unknown number which is not saved in your contacts, that will be blocked. Now here when I am saying that any number which is not there in the contacts, this doesn't mean that the application needs access to your contacts. No, the application does not need access to your contacts. There are certain iPhone APIs which tell the application that SMS is unknown or it is not. That's it. So there is a kind of flag which tells the application. So application knows using its API and without accessing your contacts that this SMS is a unknown SMS, and it blocks it. So here again, it is privacy centered. I have seen that there are many other applications in the App Store which ask for access to your contacts by claiming that they need access to your contacts to identify a known SMS. But guys, I have myself been developing some iOS application. I am telling you that in order to identify an unknown SMS, you don't need to give any application access to your contacts. Okay, now coming to the another feature, heuristic detection. This application has a feature called heuristic detection which works on artificial intelligence. This feature analyzes the SMS, and I will say that it predicts whether this SMS is a junk SMS or not. Third thing, if somebody is sending you abusive words in the SMS, this application also has abusive words filters. So if you turn on that abusive word filter, then in that case, if someone from unknown number sends you abusive words, in that case those SMSs will be marked as junk automatically, and you will not receive notification for those SMS. Now guys, that I have gone through the initial review of this application, now let us go to my iPhone and let us see how we can download this application, how we can install and configure it, and how does it block the SMS. So now guys, let us go ahead and see it on the actual phone. So guys, now we will see that how we could get this application. So in order to get that application, we have to go to App Store. In the App Store, go to search, type for SMS Spam Stopper. Okay, here you go, SMS Spam Stopper. So once you get that application, and just once more, this is for Indian store. I have another iPhone. This is for Indian store. I have another iPhone, and that iPhone is signed up for USA store. So I will show you that iPhone instead for the reviews that this application has. SMS Spam Stopper. Now just for review, showing you the review comments in the USA store, I am showing you this one. Okay, so just see here, very useful app. Let's go back. Yes, it works great, excellent, the best out there. Yes, there is one 3-star comment also, the best out there. And if you, there are total 24 ratings and it has 4.3 rating out of 5. You can see here. It really works well. So actually this application is very popular in USA. Most of the people are already using it and they are satisfied from it. And even I have been using this application from past 1 year and I am also very satisfied from it. Now let us go back to the application again. Now see, once you have installed the application, you will see the icon here. Okay. Now when you open this application, the first thing that it asks you to configure it. So actually once you have installed, you have to do one-time configuration in the settings of your iPhone. Here also the video tutorials are available, using which you can yourself go and configure those settings. But since I have already done them, I know them, I will show you directly. Go to the settings here. In the settings, go to messages. Here this is messages. In messages, scroll down. Go to unknown and SMS. Here there is an option called filter unknown sender. Here you have to enable SMS Spam Stopper. Now you will get the message here. I had even contacted the developer of this application about this setting, that why this particular message is appearing. The developer of SMS Spam Stopper will receive the text, attachments and sender information is SMS and MS message from senders, not in your contacts. Messages may include personal or sensitive information like bank verification codes. So after reading this message, I had contacted the developer. So the developer said that in order to process a SMS, that SMS should be sent to the application. If a SMS is not sent to the application, then how it will identify the junk messages? And developer also sent me a link of the privacy policy. That privacy policy link is also available in the App Store. And the developer also said me that this application does not send any of your personal details. In fact, this application is kind of sandbox. It does not have access to internet. So all of your data which is received here in this application, that data is processed locally by the application. It is not sent anywhere. So after confirming everything from the developer and also after reading the privacy policy, I finally decided to give it a go. So now let us enable it here. Okay. Once you have done all those things, you are done. Now see, in your messages, when you go to messages, this is iOS 14.1 running on this phone. You go to filters and here is junk. When you go to junk, you see that when you enable that application there in the settings, then this section got created, and now I am getting a separate junk section here. So in this junk section, you could see that how many spam messages are there. Check your offer, check your loan offer now. This is also a spam. So there are tons of spam messages. Just think only once, if you are getting this SMS in your inbox and you are getting notifications, vibrations, everything for those SMS, then how big of a headache is this thing? But once this application is installed, it will send all such SMS to the junk text message section, and after this you will not receive any notification, any vibration on your phone, or any sound for those SMS, and this will certainly give you a peace of mind. The day since when I have installed this application, it has been very useful for me. I had great peace of mind, and it has really helped me out. So therefore I decided that I would show this application to you also. Now let us go into the application and see about some additional settings. In this application, first is heuristic detection. When you have installed this application, please be sure to enable heuristic detection, abusive word detection, and block unknown SMS. Once you have enabled all these three things, the application will block almost 99.9% of your text messages. Then comes the allowed words. Now see friends, I have enabled messages from some allowed words. For example, if you are receiving OTP from ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, State Bank, or Google, okay, and if those are being sent to junk SMS, you then add those words or the name of those senders in this allowed word list. Once you have added the sender of that message to your allowed words list, in that case what will happen, that when the second SMS is received from the same sender, it will be not marked as junk, it will be sent to the allowed SMS section. Now guys, let us take a look at the blocked words section. Now here the application already has an inbuilt list of 650 blocked words. If you want to add a new word, you can add by clicking on the plus button. Say I want to add something like XYZ or ZYZ, click on save, so that blocked word got added here. So from the next time if you receive any SMS which contains ZYZ, in that case that SMS will be blocked. Now there are some customers who do not want all these pre-populated keywords list. In that case, all these keywords can be deleted as well. You can click on this delete button, and there is an option called delete all keywords. If you press on this, it will delete all pre-populated keywords from the application, and you will be able to insert the fresh list of blocked keywords as per your wish. Now there comes the block numbers. If you want to block any number, you can add them here. There is no need to add any parenthesis or dashes to that number. All the instructions are given here. Okay, and you can add multiple numbers separated by a comma. So you can add any specific number also to block SMS from them. So that's it friends. If you have any more questions about SMS spam stoppers, you can ask that question in the comment section and I'll be glad to reply to you. And also you can find the link of this application in the description of this video. This link will lead you to the App Store of iPhone. From there you will be able to purchase this application. So that's it friends for today. If you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, then please do not forget to click on the subscribe button which is right below this video. So that's it friends for today. I am ending this video now. So have a great day ahead. Thank you. Subscribe to Phone Darshan channel and click on this bell icon to receive the latest technology information.